Your laptop can't be a TV. Or can it? Because I just turned mine into a console gaming setup. No TV, no monitor, just laptop. I'm using an old Xbox 360. Ancient, still legendary. I wanted to use my laptop's screen and speakers for gaming, but here's the problem. Plugging HDMI from a console straight into a laptop? Yeah, that does absolutely nothing. Both the console and the laptop send video signals. TVs and monitors receive them. Two transmitters trying to connect is like two people talking and nobody listening. So how do we make the laptop listen? You'll need 1. A console, 2. An HDMI cable, 3. A cheap USB 3.0 capture card, 4. A PC or laptop. That's it. No black magic. For retro or casual gaming, the cheap capture card is totally fine. If you're playing competitively or chasing 4K dreams, grab something premium like the Elgato Camlink. I just wanted to play Red Dead Redemption 1. So yeah, budget mode activated. Download OBS Studio for free and run it as administrator. Plug the console's HDMI into the capture card. Plug the capture card into your PC. Turn on the console. Now don't skip this part. In OBS, create a new scene. Add a video capture device. Select your capture card. To hear the game audio through your laptop speakers, set audio monitoring to monitor and output. Make it full screen, and boom, your laptop is now a TV. Minimal delay, 0 extra screens, and still cheaper than buying a TV. If this saved you some money or desk space, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.